Hello students, this is correction time for our mathematics in basic 5. We have been dealing with construction of quadrilateral right from the beginning of this week, and in the continuation of our process in correction work for the work given to us yesterday, we are going to construct a quadrilateral WXYZ such that line WX is 12 centimeter, line XY is going to be 14 centimeter, line YZ is going to be 10 centimeter, and line ZW is going to be 11 centimeters. First of all, we need to draw the rough sketch of what we are expecting. That's the shape. Now we label it W, X, Y, and Z. Take note of that. After that one is done, we label it. This is WX. WX, as the case is 12. This one, XY, is 14. And then the ZY is 10. While the ZW is 11 in centimeters, all true. So let's start the construction. The first thing we are going to do is to make use of our ruler to measure. This is the first thing we are going to measure here, 12 centimeter for WX. Get your ruler in position and then bring out your compass. Then place it on the needle end on 0 and measure the 12 centimeters out. You can see it. That is 12 centimeters. It's already measured. So place the compass towards the base of the paper properly, because there must be enough space for your work to be contained. That's, I have made my arc here. You can see the arc. That's 12 centimeters. It starts from here and it ends here. Now I join it together with a line. By the time the line is drawn, you see me, watch it properly. I have to align everything in such a way that it will give me a perfect construction. After that one is done, I will label it W and X, and I call it 12 centimeter. Look at that one. So we go to the next one. It is X and Y now. We are dealing with XY, and it is 14 centimeters. So we are now going to measure 14 centimeters with our ruler again. Bring out your compass again, place it on the needle end on 0, and measure your 14 out. Measure it. It will reach 14 like this. This is 14 centimeters. With that 14 centimeter, you come to X here, because we are dealing with XY. Then raise it up to the top here and make an arc just like this. That's 14. For you to join the line, you have to make use of your protractor. Bring out your protractor to X and measure angle 90 degrees, which is a right angle. I have taught you how to do that one very well. The alignment on the 0 side, on the dot side and on the line. Measure your 90 degrees. You can see the 90 degrees already measured there. Bring the protractor out and use ruler to join the line from X. Join X to the arc through the line that you measure at angle 90 degrees to make this line, which is our line X and Y. This is Y here on top. Now, don't forget to label it as 14 centimeters. Now, let's go to the third one. The third one is talking about ZY, which is 10 centimeters. First, get your ruler again, get your protractor, your compass, place on the end and measure your 10 centimeters. This is 10 centimeters already measured. Now you bring the 10 centimeter to Y here. Look at Y, bring it to Y here and draw a long arc. In this case here, a long arc. That is the arc. You can see that. Now let's go to the last one. The last one, you don't need to join this one yet. Just draw the arc. The next one you are going to do is to move down to Z and W. And the Z and W will have to measure 11. Bring out your ruler again, and then with your compass measure 11 centimeters. This is 11 centimeters on the ruler. You can see. Now you will now come to the beginning, that is on W. Put the needle end on it and make an arc to join the former arc that you have made before here. Let it join like this. That's how to make the arc. After that one is done, you will now use your ruler. Where the two arc meet here is your point of contact. You are going to join this W together with that point. That is line ZW, and it is going to be 11 centimeters. And then the remaining one, to close it up, you will now come to the top here. The Z and Y, you can join it together in this format here. This is it. That means this ZY will now become 10 centimeter. This is the quadrilateral that you are clamoring for. You can see the quadrilateral. It's big, but then that's how it should be. So by the time you now cross-check and measure, you find out that all those sides are the right side that you need to measure. That's how to construct a quadrilateral. Now, English class. On our English for the week, we have discussed topics on pronouns. And the question given to us was, use pronoun to join the sentences. And these are the correct answers to all the work that you have done. So use it to correct your work and mark. This is the umbrella which was given to me by my uncle on my birthday. Take note of that. Number 2, he is the boy who smashed the window pane of our sitting room by mischievously pelting a stone at it. Look at the pronouns. Who? Look at the pronoun. Which? Let's continue. He is the soldier who fought with great valor during the Boko Haram conflict. Who? That's the pronoun in that case there. Next, it is the pen which runs smoothly on the paper as you write with it. And the last one, he is the man who is liked by everyone for his sincerity of purpose. These are the area of concentration in our English class this week. The area of pronouns. Who, which, who, and which. So use this one to correct yourself and mark your work. Thank you so much.